And let me show you how you can record in FL Studio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step you need in recording in FL Studio. Who is this video for? This video is for music producers, and also if you're an artist and you want to learn how to record yourself, this video is also for you. Guys, make sure you stick to the end of this video so you won't miss any tangible information you need in recording in FL Studio. Let's go, guys. Step number 1 is to make sure your audio interface is selected and activated. Go to Options, Audio Settings, Device. So here you can choose your audio interface. Here for me, I have my Focusrite already selected and activated. Step number 2, go to the mixer setting. Select an empty channel. Come down here, select your input device, which is your microphone. So I'm selecting the input device 1, 2. You can see immediately I selected the input device, there is a signal coming up here to tell me I'm ready for recording. Step number 3, hit the recording button. Bimbake bojo baro fi mi sílẹ̀. So if you want a backup or ad-libs, hit the recording button again for your backup and ad-libs. Now that you have known how to record, can you please like and comment on this video, please?